Ready? Start. Coming to the conditions of academic life, I find that the buildings are commodious and beautiful. All the equipment and materials, such as a big library, good laboratories, etc., required for an educational institution in modern times have been provided here. There is adequate living accommodation provided for the students and teachers alike. Not only extensive playing grounds but also other amenities necessary for games are provided, and by taking advantage of them one can build up a sound and strong body. There are arrangements for good and nourishing food. Everything that is necessary for an educational institution is available here, but no educational institution or a university can be made into a first rate educational institution by the mere provision of all the necessary materials and amenities. The teacher and the students constitute the soul of an institution. Others may no doubt provide all the necessary equipment, but love for the good, the development of a moral character, and possession of a sense of duty coupled with high ambition can be contributed only by those who are there to teach or to study. It is therefore the duty of teachers and students alike that they fulfill the expectations with which these materials have been provided. For this purpose, complete cooperation among the teachers and the students is both necessary and desirable. It is my hope that the teachers will devote all their energy, learning, and ability for the development of their students. To the students, I would appeal that they use their time and these resources to their own advantage. It seems to me that an appeal of this nature is necessary today. Para. It has been the tradition of our country that man is not measured merely in terms of money, and this is particularly true of scholars who impart education to others. In ancient times, a student used to live with his teacher or the acharya, and just like the latter's own children become a member of the family, the guru had to bear the entire burden of maintaining the pupil, and in lieu of fees, the pupil would gather wood from the forest or take the cows for grazing till comparatively recent times. It used to be considered improper to charge any fees for imparting education. but times have now changed. India cannot keep herself isolated from the rest of the world. Not only cotton, wheat, and maize, but everything else of value is measured in terms of money. Stop.